I'm Stefan Heintjens, I'm responsible for product management, and today I will acquaint you with one of the products in our specialty industrial printer category. It's the ValueJet 1627MH. It's a hybrid printer and it's equipped with Mutoh's MP31 multi-purpose inks. One of the distinct features of this printer to make it compatible with the multi-purpose inks is the heating system. You can see it here on top of the printer and also underneath the cover. This is a hot air blowing system. It generates hot air up to 85 degrees, heating the media and the substrates up to approximately 50 degrees. This is gentle heating, which means that the printer is also compatible with very heat-sensitive materials like polyolefin films, for example. Since it is a hybrid printer, it means it's compatible with both rigid media as well as raw media. Here you see the rigid setup with a support table in front and at the back of the printer. The support table has these support bars and you can add extra ones in case you're using, for example, flexible sheets. And to help you with the positioning of the rigids, you can add this media position option, which will allow you to lower fins where you can align and position your media. To print onto rigid substrates, the printer will detect the width, the position, but also measure the thickness of the media. Conversion from rigid printing to roll printing is fast and easy. The top part can be tilted and the tables can be rolled away to allow for compact storage. At the back of the printer you can see the movable flanges, which can hold and feed rolls up to 30 kilograms. Let's have a look at the possible ink setups. You can choose for a pure CMYK setup, and you can also add white into the configuration. The white is of course the more versatile setup because that gives you access to printing on transparent media and also, for example, on this cardboard media. Because of the white, the machine is equipped with an internal maintenance and circulation system to avoid deposit or sedimentation of ink in the non-accessible parts like the ink tubes. The ink comes in 500 milliliter degassed pouches, which are inserted in these reusable adapters. Degassing means that the ink is firing very accurately and correctly, and since it are pouches, there is no risk for spilling or for contamination. The accessible parts, like the maintenance station, the spitting box and the wiper, can be accessed and maintained via the front covers. The Mutoh MP31 multi-purpose ink is a non-intrusive ink technology. This means that this ink will not change the appearance, neither the properties of the substrates which are targeted. And this of course gives access to a multitude of different applications and substrates. For example, we have all these kinds of papers and films, mirror film, non-white, cardboard, gold paper, or cardboard or silver to make mock-up samples of packaging, and also structured wallpaper. The second category is, for example, the thermoformable media. For example, shrink polyolefin film to make etiquettes and labels, but also all kinds of plastics for thermoformation or vacuum formation to make domed labels, relief maps, educational graphics, but also larger shapes like these. For the vacuum formation, of course, we start with a flat surface, in this case PET-G, which we will then bring to the vacuum formation machine, preheating the substrate to roughly 120 degrees, then applying the vacuum so that the shape is formed. Then we let the material sit for a moment to let it cool down, and then we will remove the mold and get out the media from the machine. As a rigid printer, the hybrid will be able to handle media with a width up to 1625 millimeters, a maximum weight of 15 kilograms and a media thickness of 16 millimeters. As a roll printer, you can handle rolls with a weight up to 30 kilograms. That's it for today. Thanks for watching us and check out more of our cool stuff on mutoh.eu.